Yes. So before getting into today's problem, I'll tell you the ongoing questions on Unacademy. So you can see Unacademy has produced 7 trackers in top 20, 15 trackers in top 50, and 170 plus Unacademy learners have cracked it. So 9 months combo to crack UPSC Prelims 2022. So you're going to get 38% offer overall, 28% off with optional plus 10% off if you use my code Prasanna10, and one subscription to crack it all. CS plus optional plus iconic plus optional, you're going to get 35% off, 28% with optional plus 10% if you use my code Prasanna10, right? Yes. And you're also going to get this test series for free. You purchase 1 year course, and there's also a 3-month festive combo. You can get 20% off, 10% with optional plus 10% if you use my code Prasanna10, right? So the new batch for 21, 22, 23 aspirants starting on 27th October. And these are the educators, and this is scheduled for 1 year batch, and these are the educators, and this is scheduled for 2 year batch, and these are the educators. And there's also a scholarship test going on, and there's also live mentorship program. You can also avail loan if you want, right? You can use my code Prasanna10 for 10% off, right? Yes. So now we'll move on to our problem. Problem number 11. Solution. So we have x into 1 plus y square dx plus y into 1 plus x square dy is equal to 0, right? Yes. So what we can do is, so you just keep x into 1 plus x square dx, and you take this term that side, so you'll have minus y 1 plus x square dy, right? So this is same as, so you will just keep x dx to one side divided by, so here we will have 1 plus x square, and just keep minus y dy to one side, and here you will have 1 plus y square, right? Now just integrate this, so integrate, so this will be integral x dx divided by 1 plus x square is equal to y divided by 1 plus y square dy, right? So apply the formula integral f dash of x by f of x. Here we have 1 plus x square, so we know that integral, so where I can write, so we know that integral f dash of x by f of x is log of f of x, right? You take f of x as 1 plus x square, derivative is 2x, right? But we have only x here, so what we will do is, so we will multiply and divide by 2 by 2, so we will have x dx divided by 1 plus x square. Similarly 1 plus y square, derivative is 2y, so we will multiply 2 by 2 inside, so we will have y divided by 1 plus y square dy. So we will keep 1 by 2 as it is, so we will just multiply 2 inside, so we will have 2x dx divided by 1 plus x square. So we will keep this minus 1 by 2 as it is, we will multiply 2 inside, so we will have 2y divided by 1 plus y square dy, right? So this 1 by 2 will get cancelled, so this will be what? This will be log of 1 plus x square is equal to minus log of 1 plus y square. So we will add some integration constant log c, right? We will add some integration constant log c. Now okay, we will add some integration constant log c. So this will be log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus y square is equal to log c. So log a plus log b is log ab. So log ab is equal to log c, means c is equal to 1 plus x square 1 plus y square is the required solution, right? So just use the property log a plus log b is log ab. So you will have log of 1 plus x square 1 plus y square is equal to log c. Log will get cancelled. So we have c is equal to 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square is the required solution, right? Yes. We'll move on to problem number 12. So we have dy by dx is equal to e power 2x minus 3y 4x square e power minus 3y, right? Solution. So we have dy by dx is equal to e power 2x into e power minus 3y plus 4x square e power minus 3y. So we will take e power minus 3y outside. So we will have e power 2x plus 4x square, right? So we have dy by dx as capital X into capital Y, where capital X is a function of small x and capital Y is a function of small y, right? So this will be dy divided by e power minus 3y is equal to e power 2x plus 4x square dx. So integrate this. So integral dy divided by e power minus 3y is equal to integral e power 2x dx plus integral 4x square dx. So this will be integral e power 3y dy. This will be e power 2x by 2 plus integral 4x cube by 3. We will add some constant c, right? This is e power 3y by 3, and here we will have e power 2x by 2, and here you will have 4x cube by 3 plus c, right? So this is if you want you can also take LCM, right? If you want you can also take LCM. So we will have e power minus 3y divided by 3 is equal to, so if we take LCM here, the LCM is 6 here, right? So we will have 3 e power 2x plus 8x cube divided by 6 plus c, right? So I'm just taking LCM for this. So this means into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, so that denominator will be 6. So 3 e power 2x plus 8x cube. Now we just multiply this by 2 by 2, so that you will have this to be equal to 2 e power 3y divided by 6 is equal to 3 e power 2x plus 8x cube divided by 6 plus c. We just take this term to bring side. So we will have 2 e power 3y minus 3 e power 2x minus, I'm just multiplying here by 2 by 2, right? So that we will have 2 by 6. So this will be minus 8x cube whole divided by 6 is equal to c. So if you bring this c this side, so 6c will be some constant. So we will have some c1 is equal to 2 e power 3y minus 3 e power 2x minus 8x cube is the required solution. Is the required solution, right? You can also leave here itself, right? If you want to see this as simple term, in simple term we are denoting like this, right? So where 6c1 is equal to 6c, c1 is equal to 6c, right? If you want to, you can also leave this here itself, right? But since I'm taking this LCM for 3 to 3 and I'm just simplifying to some easiest term, right? Yes. Problem 13. So solve x plus 1 dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 2 e power minus y, right? Yes. Solution. So we have, so what we will do is we will just keep x plus 1 dy by dx. So we will take this, take e1 to that side. So we will have 2 e power minus y minus 1, right? So we have, so we just bring this term to this side, this term to that side. So this will be same as x plus 1 into dy is equal to 2 into e power minus y minus 1 dx. So you just separate x and dy to one, x and dx to one side, y and dy to other side. So we will have dy divided by 2 into e power minus y minus 1 is equal to dx divided by x plus 1. So we have separated the variables. So integrate this. So integrate, this will be integral dy divided by, so 2 times, so I'm writing e power minus y as 1 by e power y minus 1 is equal to integral dx divided by x plus 1, right? So this is same as, if we take LCM here, we will have e power y divided by 2 minus e power y dy, right? So 2 minus e power y whole divided, we have whole divided by e power y, take that numerator, right? This will be integral dx by x plus 1, right? So this will be what? Now we can see integral f dash of x by f of x. So you can see integral f dash of x by f of x is log of f of x. But here we have integral f of, you take f of x as 2 minus e power y. If we differentiate this, we will have minus e power y, right? 0 minus e power y. So we should have minus here, but we don't have minus here. So what we will do is we will multiply by minus and divide. So we will multiply minus 1 by minus 1. Integral e power y divided by, so 2 minus e power y dy. This will be log 1 plus x plus some constant c, right? So we will keep 1 minus as here. So we will take 1 minus 2 inside. So this will be 2 minus e power y dy. This will be equal to log of 1 plus x plus c, right? Log of 1 plus x plus c. Now this is minus log of 2 minus e power y is equal to log of 1 plus x plus c, right? Now you just take c to that side, this to this side. So we will have minus c is equal to log of 1 plus x plus log of 2 minus e power y. So we have minus c is equal to, so log a plus log b is log ab. This will be 1 plus x into 2 minus e power y, right? If you don't want log here, take e on both sides. So take e, so this will be e power minus c is equal to e power log will be e power log of 1 plus x into 2 minus e power y. So e power c is some constant, right? Let us call this as c1. So this will be 1 plus x into 2 minus e power y is the required solution, right? So this, I'm just taking c1 to be equal to e power minus c because these are constants, right? So e power log x is x, so this is the required solution, right?